Hello, I am Dr. K.K. Misra from R Classes. I welcome you all wholeheartedly to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on consumer behavior. This is part 7. Now come to the question. Question number 1. It's important for marketers to devise communications that offer dash and are placed in media that consumers in the target market are likely to use. Options are A. Consistent messages about their products, B. Better pricing, C. Product information to the consumers, D. A new marketing strategy. Correct option is A. Consistent messages about their products. Question number 2. Marketing communications play a critical role in informing consumers about dash, including where they can be purchased and in creating favorable images and perceptions. Options are A. Buying their products, B. Price reductions, C. Products and services, D. The advantage over competition. Correct option is C. Products and services. Question number 3. When consumers are seeking low involvement products, they are unlikely to change in extensive search. So, dash is important. A. Order purchasing, B. Order booking, C. Ready availability, D. Information about warranty. Here correct option is C. Ready availability. Question number 4. Marketers can create brand equity dash. Options are A. By selling them in prestigious outlets, B. By overpricing the product, C. Preparing comparative information about competitive brands, D. By making the products available in all locations. Here correct option is A. By selling them in prestigious outlets. Question number 5. Consumer behavior differs when you are installing a fire protection system for your warehouse full of steel desks and when you are purchasing a fire protection system for your home which is full of irreplaceable antiques. Which situational influence explains this consumer behavior? Options are A. Its marketing mix, B. Task features, C. Current conditions, D. Physical features. Here correct option is B. Task features. Question number 6. Situational influences that have considerable effect on product and brand choices are dash, social features, time, task features and current conditions. Options are A. Physical features, B. Price, C. Guarantees, D. Packaging. Here correct option is A. Physical feature. 7. Product knowledge refers to the amount of information a consumer has stored in memory about particular product classes, product forms, dash, models and ways to purchase them. Options are A. Prices, B. Brands, C. Packaging, D. Warranties. Correct option here is B. Brands. Question number 8. Product involvement refers to dash or personal relevance of an item. Options are A. A consumer's perception of the importance, B. The need of the product, C. The price the product, D. The amount of people who bought the product. Here correct option is A. A consumer's perception of the importance. Now question number 9. If the purchase is for a high involvement product, consumers are likely to develop a high degree of dash so that they can be confident that the item they purchase is just right for them. Options are A. Brand loyalty, B. Society, C. Product knowledge, D. References. Here correct option is C. Product knowledge. Now question number 10. Many people waited 6 in the line for tickets to the latest Star Wars movies so that they could be in the movie's first seating. Most people don't plan their movie ticket purchases more than a week in advance, would prefer not to see a movie in a really crowded theater. Which situational influence explains why different people place such importance on being the first to see a movie? Here options are A. It's a marketing mix, B. Task features, C. Physical features. D. Social features. Here correct option is B. Task features. Though this is an applied question. Question number 11. A high degree of product involvement encourages dash by consumers, which likely increases the time it takes to go through the decision making process. Options are A. Extensive decision making. B. Seeking a good price. C. A strong referral point. D. Active consultation. Here correct option is A. Extensive decision making. Now question number 12. With reference to the product development and management, products and services offered should be dash A. Safe and fit for their intended use. B. Offered at the lowest price. C. Delivered in the shortest possible time. D. Serviced promptly. Here correct option is A. Safe and fit for their intended use. Question number 13. Since Nadia was bored with her life, she decided to buy a whole new set of living room furniture. Which situational influence on consumer behavior is described by Nadia's actions? Options are A. The marketing mix. B. Task features. C. Current conditions. D. Physical features. Here correct option is C. Current conditions. Question number 14. Dash constitutes moderate consumer behavior but still involves time and effort searching for and comparing alternatives. Options are A. Limited decision making. B. Need recognition. C. Routine decision making. D. Post purchase evaluation. The correct option is A. Limited decision making. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large the correct options are highlighted in each question. In case of any discrepancy found in any question, that I will be correcting through my narration. Question number 16. Experimental sources of information for consumers refer to options are A. Advertising, marketing, selling and profit making. B. Handling, examining and trying the product while shopping. C. Buying after demonstration. D. Buying the product directly from a manufacturer. Here correct option is B. Handling, examining and trying the product while shopping. Now question number 17. A purchase involves many decisions which include product type, brand, model, dash among other factors. Options are here A. Credit facility available. B. Group purchase discount schemes. C. Dealer selection and method of payment. D. Availability of money. Here correct option is C. Dealer selection and method of payment. Now question number 18. Group, marketing and dash determine the initial level of product knowledge as well as change in it. Options are A. Consumer feedback. B. Situational influences. C. Information available. D. Consumers' perceptions. Here correct option is B. Situational influence. Now 19. Dash refers to the tendency for consumers to try to reduce risk in their decision making. Here options are A. Risk tolerance. B. Guarantee terms. C. Perceived risk. D. Dissonance. The correct option is C. Perceived risk. Now question number 20. Which of the following statements about product involvement is true? A. Product knowledge is unrelated to product involvement. B. A consumer is just as likely to develop a level of product involvement with a product requiring routine decision making as with a product requiring extensive decision making. C. Product involvement does not affect how quickly a consumer moves through the purchase decision making process. D. A consumer's level of product involvement will determine how quickly the purchase is made. Here correct option is D. A consumer's level of product involvement will determine how quickly the purchase is made. Question number 21. Dash is the most common type or consumer decision process and the way consumers purchase most packaged goods. Options are A. Limited decision making. B. Extended decision making. C. Routine decision making. D. Alternative approach search. Here correct option is C. Routine decision making. Now question number 22. The occurrence of post-decision anxiety is related to the concept of dash A. Extensive decision making, B. Cognitive dissonance, C. Limited decision making, D. Marketing strategy. Here correct option is B. Cognitive dissonance. Now question number 23. For which of the following purchases would a consumer most likely engage in extensive decision making? Options are A. The purchase of a pair of pantyhose at a hotel gift shop, B. The purchase of a rupees 200 wooden table at a crafts fair, C. The purchase of a case of cat food, D. The purchase of a bridal dress and veil for a wedding that will cost the father of the bride about rupees 18,000. Now, here the correct option is D. The purchase of a bridal dress and veil for a wedding that will cost the father of the bride about rupees 18,000. Now, question number 24. For which of the following purchases would a consumer be most likely to engage in limited decision making? Options are A. The purchase of candy which was selected only after the buying had spent 15 minutes to read the fat content of each brand in the store. B. The purchase of an expensive gift for a brand new set of in-laws. C. The purchase of a 6-pack of soda and a bag of popcorn. D. The renewal of a subscription to hardware is a trade journal by a hardware store owner. Now here correct option is A. This is applied question. The purchase of candy which was selected only after the buyer had spent 15 minutes to read the fat content of each brand in the store. Now question number 25. Which of the following is the best example of external stimuli in consumer behavior? A. Feeling cold and turning up the thermostat. B. Having a backache and realizing you need some pain reliever. C. Seeing a Domino's pizza box and ordering a pizza. D. Feeling sad and wanting to have a good cry. Here correct option is C. Seeing a Domino's pizza box and ordering a pizza. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it. And if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.